This is the main entrance of Emmanuel Recreation and Water Park in Neelavara in Brahmavara. It's just 4 kilometers away from Brahmavara. And if you want to contact, you can call any of these two numbers which you have right here. You can call Mr. Arun D'Souza and he will make all arrangements so that you have a memorable day at this water park. So this is the place where you are going to meet the organizers here of this Emmanuel Water Park, and you will be taken on a boat ride to the house that you can see in the background right there. There we have the beautiful house there. Yes, and the other side is the river, and we have some works going on right now, right here. Now there's a shade right here. A lovely river here. You can have a beautiful swim right here itself. Hi to everyone, this is Manoj and I am here at Emmanuel Water Park 4 kilometers away from Brahmavara. And we are at this beautiful place. There's a beautiful Sita Nadi right here, and you can see we have around 3 families having a beautiful time. And let me tell you, one among the 3 families is the owner of Emmanuel Water Park. There we have Mr. Arun D'Souza, and he is helping us out, taking time to take us round in this beautiful river. And this particular vehicle in which we are traveling is very, very unique. There you can see with lot of the drums that we normally fill water at. But here we are at this beautiful place, moving around in this lovely river. And let me assure you that the time that you spend in this particular place is going to be truly mesmerizing, amazing, and it will be a great memory that you are going to take when you go back home at the end of this day. We are working very hard to put up this resort to international standards level. It's a work in progress, and I believe in another 6 months, I think it is all set. But even at present, there are a lot of lovely facilities that I would like to bring to you in my upcoming videos. So please do visit, and I will be sharing the number where you can contact, and let me assure you, you will have a great stay, and you will have a lot of fun.
Hi, this is Sunita. We have come here for boat riding. This is a beautiful and lovely place, and we are having a great time.
The owner of Emmanuel Water Park. So please do visit here. You will have a beautiful time. And this is a family get together, and he is doing great work. Thank you, Arun sir.
Thank you.
Mogasandi, thank you very much. Hi everyone. This is Manoj, and we are here at Emmanuel Water Park. And as you can see, we have a beautiful Sita Nadi right here, and we are going round. And you may be wondering, where is this beautiful place? This place is 4 kilometers away from Brahmavara. It's very close to Neelavara temple, and Padukudru is the name for this particular place. And if you have a place where you can spend your precious time and spend quality time with your family, I believe this is the place. And you can visit with your family, friends and relatives. We can accommodate around 50 to 100 people in one go in a single day, and the prices are very, very reasonable. And one thing that I can tell you, that you will have a time of your life at this very place. So please do visit Emmanuel Water Park. You will have a great time here. So here we are, all the children are having a great time, and very interesting about these 5 children, all their name starts with the letter R, including the man who owns 3 children, Mr. Ronnie as well. Yes. Yes, there we are, all the children are having a great time with the life jackets on them. So indeed, it's a beautiful place. So your children can have a great time, obviously with your company here. Yes, there's a thumbs up from all the children. They are having a great time. So as you see the beautiful river bank, lovely greenery all around.
Very good, Reach. Very good.
So there we have one more ace swimmer getting ready for a sojourn into the water.
Come on.
So here we are back again at the base. We have lovely boats, the paddling boats. We have the shades. We have a facility for rain dance as well. And obviously you can make use of the lovely river that we have. So there we have all the young and old having a great time in water. So here we have the unique boat made of drums in which we traveled just now, where the video was taken. It was really a lovely journey. And that is Professor Ronnie. Hi Ronnie.
Hi.
Yes. Having a great time as his wife's place in Brahmavar right here.
Hi. Oh.
So everyone is having a great time right there.